Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create text file on Mac computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create any text file on Mac computer, click on Launchpad. In Launchpad you will find text editor. Click on text editor. Now you can type your document here. If you want to save this document, you can click on name editors, and from here you can change the name, and where you want to save this file, just you will find an option here where, and click on the drop down, and if you select documents, it will save on document. If you select desktop, it will save on desktop. Look, the file is saved on desktop. But if you want to save this file to another location, just click on the drop down and then click on others, and then you will find other locations here. You can save to documents or downloads or your hard disk drive, anywhere. I am going to save to desktop in one of my folder, My Docs. Select My Docs. Look, the document has been moved to My Docs. I am opening My Docs. Look, the document has been moved in My Docs. Now close your text file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.